Hello everybody, and thank you for coming back. Wow, what a car we have here today. So this is a Morgan Plus 4, a Drop Head Coupe, or a Flat Rad as many people call. Quite a rare car actually. There is only 433 of these made. This one was restored in the mid-90s into this lovely Golf blue, and it's only done 8,500 miles. Quite amazing. It was originally purchased in 1952 to do the Monte Carlo Rally. Unfortunately, they did actually change and you weren't allowed to use convertibles. It is finished off in an exceptional standard. The build on this car is absolutely brilliant. There's not a single dent in it. The paint looks brand new. Really is a cracking car. So with most cars this age, you've got rear hinged doors or coach doors. You've got red leather interior, and it really does look absolutely fantastic in their proper bench seats. There you go, look at that. Brooklyn steering wheel as well. Also got a mahogany dash there. Now with this car, you also get a large box file with loads of photographs like this one, which shows the car on a race line. Under the hood, you've got a 2-litre Vanguard engine. This car runs and drives really, really well for its age. Look at that with its bonnet up. With the car and in that box file that I did mention, you do have all the rebuild bits and pieces, so it tells you when it was done by whom as well. And it also has the cost as well. You've also got the original registration document as well. Well worth seeing. Please just email me or phone me or pop in and see me. But don't forget, like and subscribe. Thanks, folks. Bye-bye.